Hello everyone. This video is the second in a series of 5 tutorials aiming to introduce the use of the Analytics and Intelligence solution. Here we will see the possibilities of modifying an ad-hoc view. Once you have authenticated, click on ad-hoc view list to access the list of existing views. Select the view you want to change from the list. For this tutorial, we will choose Assignment Approvals by Organization. This is a publisher giving access to different features and data such as fields, measures, columns, and lines or filters. This ad-hoc view is not very intelligible, so we are going to modify it to make it more visible. Start by changing the chart type. Then, drag and drop the accepted measure into the columns to isolate only successful assignments approvals by organization. You can delete the total sum. Then add the approval type in columns and date in rows. To make the graph even more readable, you can increase the level of data using a filter. In order to optimize the graph's reading, we will group the dates by month. You can add a title. Save this new ad-hoc view in a private folder in your name. This will make this new view accessible by yourself only. You can also save your changes in a public folder to make them visible to everyone. Your chart is now more readable. Here, we have kept all organizations so we can reuse this view in a future video. But you can also isolate one or more organizations in order to show your results more clearly. Thank you for watching. If the content caught your attention, do not hesitate to like the video and watch the third tutorial that follows. Have a great day and see you soon for another video.